Hey there, welcome back to Coder Squad. Today, we're delving into an essential topic in C++ programming, strings. They're not just sequences of characters, they're powerful tools for manipulating text data. Let's explore. So, what exactly are strings in C++? Well, a string is a sequence of characters stored as a single data type. It allows us to work with text data, manipulate strings, and perform various operations like searching, concatenation, and more. In C++, strings are typically represented using the string class from the standard template library, STL. This class provides a wide range of functionalities for working with strings, making it a powerful tool for text manipulation. Declaring and initializing strings in C++ is straightforward. You can do it using the std, string type, and the assignment operator. Let's take a look at an example. Once we have our strings, we can perform various operations on them, such as concatenation, substring extraction, finding characters or substrings, and more. Let's explore some of these operations in detail. String concatenation is the process of combining two or more strings into a single string. In C++, you can use the plus operator or the append function to concatenate strings. Finding the length of a string is a common operation. In C++, you can use the length, or size, function to determine the number of characters in a string. And that wraps up our comprehensive guide to strings in C++. We've covered what strings are, how to declare and initialize them, and some common operations you can perform on strings. Remember, strings are powerful tools for working with text data in your C++ programs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Happy coding!